Owning a home is one of the biggest dreams for millions of Indian families. But for most people, buying a house isn't possible without financial support. This is where housing finance companies play a crucial role. One such company with a long history in India's housing finance sector is Manipal Housing Finance Syndicate Limited, also known as MHFSL. In today's video, we'll understand the company's business model, strengths, growth opportunities, risks, and why it is discussed in the unlisted market. Manipal Housing Finance Syndicate Limited was incorporated in 1986 and is a National Housing Bank (NHB) registered housing finance company. The company is headquartered in Manipal, Karnataka, and traces its roots to the Manipal Group. It was jointly promoted by the erstwhile Syndicate Bank, which later merged into Canara Bank. For nearly 4 decades, the company has focused on one core objective: providing long-term housing finance to individuals. It offers a range of home loan products designed to meet different customer needs across India. So, how does Manipal Housing Finance earn its revenue? The company primarily provides home loans for purchasing, constructing, repairing, and renovating residential properties. It also accepts public deposits, subject to regulatory permissions, which provide a source of funds alongside borrowings. Revenue is mainly generated through the interest earned on loans after accounting for the cost of funds and operating expenses. As borrowers repay their MS over several years, the company builds recurring income while helping customers achieve home ownership. One of the company's biggest strengths is its long operating history in the housing finance sector. Being associated with the Manipal Group gives it a well-recognized brand in education, healthcare, and financial services. The company has continued serving customers through its housing finance products while maintaining its focus on retail lending. Housing finance remains an important sector in India because urbanization, rising incomes, and demand for residential property continue to support long-term growth. Manipal Housing Finance Syndicate Limited is an unlisted public company, and it attracts attention from investors who follow the housing finance sector. Market participants often evaluate factors such as loan growth, asset quality, profitability, capital position, and overall business performance. Investors also monitor annual reports and corporate disclosures to understand the company's long-term progress. Overall, Manipal Housing Finance Syndicate Limited has built a long-standing presence in India's housing finance industry by focusing on home loans and customer-centric financial solutions. As India's housing market continues to evolve, companies operating in this sector remain important participants in supporting home ownership. If you are interested in unlisted companies, always study the business model, financial performance, opportunities, and risks before making any investment decisions. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mira Associates for more educational content on unlisted companies and the unlisted share market.
Mira Associates provides assistance for unlisted share transactions only. We do not provide investment advice or recommendations. Investments in securities are subject to market risks. Please conduct your own research before making investment decisions.